If you can see your image in your system's default photo viewer, but Photoshop gives you an error when you try to open the JPG, don't worry. This is a really common issue, and in most cases, the file itself is fine. The problem is often caused by bad metadata, a strange encoding issue, or something in the file that Photoshop doesn't like. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy fix that can help you open that JPG in Photoshop without needing any advanced tools. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple tech fixes like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open the JPG image in your computer's default image viewer. On Windows, you can use MS Paint. On Mac, you can use Preview. The goal here is to open the image in a basic program that can read the file without triggering the Photoshop error. Once the image is open, go to File, then choose Save As. If you're on Windows in Paint, click File, then Save As, and select JPEG from the file type options. If you're on Mac in Preview, click File, then Export, and choose JPEG as the format. Now this part is important. Save the file with a slightly different name. For example, if the original file is called photo1.jpg, save the new version as photo1fixed.jpg, or something similar. This creates a fresh copy of the image and helps remove any hidden issues inside the original file. After saving, close the basic image editor and then go back to Photoshop. Now try opening the newly saved JPG file in Photoshop instead of the original one. In many cases, this new file will open perfectly because the save process strips out problematic metadata, damaged encoding, or unsupported file data that was causing Photoshop to reject the image. If the file opens successfully, you're done. You've just repaired the JPG in the fastest way possible. If it still doesn't open, try repeating the process one more time. Or save it again as a different JPEG file from the default viewer. Sometimes that extra export step is enough to fully rebuild the image in a format Photoshop accepts. This is one of the easiest fixes for Photoshop JPG opening errors, and it can save you a lot of time compared to downloading converters or reinstalling software. So just remember the process. Open the image in Paint or Preview, save it as a new JPEG file, then open that new version in Photoshop. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.